So right now we are climbing up one of the famous mountains, which is Mount Olympus. Max and I are just doing school inside the van while we're just driving up Mount Olympus. This is Mount Olympus!
Welcome everyone to a new video. As I mentioned, we will be exploring Mount Olympus, home of the Greek gods.
We're going for a hike here in Mount Olympus, right? And YOLO's parked just over there. And we're just gonna go hike up Mount Olympus.
Today's hike will be 16 kilometers total, almost a full day of hiking. The temperature was perfect for hiking, not too hot, not too cold.
So we're just hiking one of the trails here. There's like little viewpoint areas and has great views here. So yeah, we're just hiking here in Mount Olympus. Hello.
Hello.
Are we just taking a break? Brian Orange with us on the hike and we're just taking a break now, right?
Yes.
In Mount Olympus. Who would have thought we'd come here? We just passed the point that we wanted to go to, so we decided to continue going on to this refuge. And it's like pretty high up. It's about 40 more minutes of hiking till we get there. But yeah, we decided to do that, right, Mommy?
Yes.
So then we can say we've been pretty high in Mount Olympus.
Yes. So it should be a pretty good view when we get there.
Did you drink that water?
Fresh from Olympus.
Feel good? This is fresh spring water from the top, no, not the top, but from Mount Olympus. Over here, there's a bunch of like signatures in the wood.
People all over the world put their signature there. There's Argentina, Belarus, Ukraine, Macedonia, and we're living our tracks of Canada.
We're just by that water fountain. Mom just found this smaller, tiny trail that I think leads to a viewpoint. Wow.
This is our halfway point.
Yep. Are you trying to block the water? Do you realize that there's mountains up there, Max? Right now, heading to the refuge. We're all getting a little tired, but we can do it. So green here. It reminds me of home. We are 650 meters away from our endpoint, which is the refuge. So what we do is we just take 200 steps and take a break. 200 steps, take a break. And then about those 200 steps, it's about 100 meters, 200 meters. So yeah, so we just take a break every so often and then push, take a break, push, take a break. Yeah.
And we're gonna make it?
Remember when I said it was only 45 more minutes to hike up to the next refuge? Well, it took us more than 3 hours, all due to the altitude and the rough terrain.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's 2 deer right there, mountain deer.
You missed the Mountain deer. There's 4. Yeah?
Hurry.
We're in Mount Olympus, which I mentioned earlier, and we're hiking to this refuge, which I also mentioned earlier, and it's just like right over there. We have to cross this snowy area, so here we go.
Seeing snow almost gave us an extra energy boost to continue going. First time we have actually seen snow in a while because we were traveling in fairly warm places.
We're starting to see snow, and the refuge is just right over there. I can see little stairs over there, but not sure if it's clear for you guys, but yeah, we're really close. We're getting really close.
There's the refuge. Made it to the summit.
We're not at the building yet, but I think we're in the refuge area. We are here. Look at this view.
We came from that city. We walked all the way down, across the valley, around, about, and we're here. Good job, I think so.
Max is tired.
Max is super tired. YOLO's there.
Yeah, and
We walked this way, all the way to refuge number 1. We made it at 2,060 meters, and we came from here at 1,075 meters, so that's 1,000-meter elevation. Pretty impressive.
This whole walkway is filled with water. There's water that's kind of overfilling that's coming from that area. Okay, glacier water, my dad says. So we're just gonna like cool off and fill up with our water. I can see this pile. I'm just assuming that whoever came here just stacks the rock on top of it, so I'm gonna take this. And, whoa, dropped it. And where should I put it? You right here. That's me, right there. All our water bottles are full and we're about to go back down. So we're just leaving this refuge, which is 2,000 meters up. If you see that, like, the very top with the little bit of fog, that's the very top, which is 1,000 more meters up. So it's 3,000 meters up if we wanted to hike that, but it's time to get back down because we're getting hungry and tired and I have to do school.
And then Max has a reason not to go.
Max has a reason not to go because apparently if you do go there, Zeus will strike you down with a lightning bolt, so we're just going back. On our way down. Okay, we're back at this snow crossing area. About to cross in the snow. Max, I think this way is easier. Look. I like this way. I'll go down here. Whoa, Max.
Max is not skiing.
Yeah, we came from that refuge up there. You just resting? Yeah.
We finally made it back to YOLO. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.